Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking mastering TikTok for those Gen X entrepreneurs, all right? So we're going to go through my phone. I'm going to show you TikTok. I'm going to show you the difference between a business account and a creator account, walk through some of the analytics with you, kind of really give you guys an idea of what you should be using and how you can be successful. Sound like a plan? All right, so we're looking at my little account here. This is kind of my play around account, my eventual TikTok shop account. I have not really been paying attention to it a lot, to be honest, because I'm getting ready to launch a couple things like it's going to shake up the digital marketing industry, right? But I want to bring to you guys some attention to some things. This is a creator account, okay? So if you're on your home page, you can see right here, you've got home. This is where, it shows all your FYP across the top. It's got shop, following, explore. You can scroll over, you can see STEM, or you can go scroll through lives, right? If you hit the friends button, this is people I'm following, right? So, oh, look, it's my other account. So that's one way to do that. Then you've got, your plus symbol here, right? This is going to be your record or how you go live or templates you can use. As you can see, I'm on screen right there. So you can just scroll over with these, okay? But how do you know if it's a creator account or a business account? That's what I'm getting ready to show you. So I'm going to hit the X right here. All right. I'm going to hit the profile button right here. Now this little button right here is going to be your messages, information, what's going on with your posts, your assistants, right? Who's live, those kinds of things. I'm going to go back to my profile. Then I'm going to go up to this top right 3 lines right here, okay? And I'm going to go to TikTok Studio. I'm just going to show you, take a look. This is going to show your analytics, okay? This is going to show where you can get into, the Creator Rewards program. You can check your account. So like if you want to know if your account is in good standing, this is a good way to do it. Go here and click, see if it's in good standing. We're going to see if mine's in good standing, right? So when going through this process, you want to see that TikTok can trust you because that's how you're going to grow your account and that's how you're going to grow your business on TikTok, okay? Like I said, this is a creator account, so the analytics and stuff are a little bit different versus a business account, which I'll show you next, which is my big account. My account's in good standing, perfect. So now I'm going to go back out. I'm going to go back up to the 3 lines. I'm going to go to settings and privacy, okay? You can scroll through here. Don't be afraid to look through here. Accessibility, offline videos, you can free up space, all the things. Any kind of analytics that you need to find, however, will be in this TikTok Studio. See, like I lost a follower. It's going to tell me what my latest post did. It's going to see all of my analytics right here at the top, all right? So let's go take a look. Again, I have not been concentrating on this account, so there's that. That being said, it shows you over the past 7 days, 28 days, 60 days, and 365 days. It also shows you content, viewers, and followers, right? So you want to make content for your viewers, right? It doesn't have enough information quite on me yet to figure out which one my viewer insights are, all right? Again, have not been focusing on this account, okay? So I have to reach 100 viewers on a post. For some reason, I've done that, but it does not show the information. That's okay. I haven't updated in a while either. I probably should do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to run over to my main account, which is the Mama Bear Marketing. And that's going to show you exactly what you need to know for a business account, all right? So this is my primary account. As you can see, I have 22.2 thousand followers. 77.8K likes, okay? This is my business account, and it's actually registered with TikTok as a business account, which is the cool thing. So again, I'm going to go back up to these 3 lines right here, okay? I'm going to go back to TikTok Studio because most things are contained in there, okay? As you can see, everything is on the up and up, right? I'm going to go back and do an account check on my account just to show you guys because I want to know that TikTok can trust me. That's important to me. So that being said, I'm going to run through this really quick and I'm going to show you some other things that you guys can see. The biggest difference between a business account and a creator account is that with a creator account, you can use trending sounds. On a business account, you have to use commercial sounds. The way I look at it is, oh, I have one post that restricted. I'm glad it showed me that. Let's take a look. Oh, I don't know why that's going live. unavailable to audience under 18. Let's take a look at that post. On 11/1. Let's appeal that. I'll submit it. So I have one. That's probably why my posts haven't been going out very far. That's fine. That being said, you can scroll back up. And I'm going to go back to, let's see here, my live settings. It shows you the views, who was in my room, right? Back under tools, I'm going to look at all of my analytics. I'm going to click that view all button again, okay? So as you can see, I'm down 19 shares, but everything else is up, okay? My traffic source, I'm mostly hitting the FYP, which is a good thing. And then it's telling you what people are researching, right? How cool is that? My content, it gives me the information in the last 28 days. My viewers, right, are up 1,700 views, okay? And it's telling me that most of my viewership right now is female. That's cool. It tells me the times that they're active, right? About 2 p.m., right, is what I'm seeing. So that's the prime time for me to go live and talk to people, right? It tells me about my followers. This is crazy to me because it's totally different. But it says my followers are mostly male, but my viewers are women. Okay, cool. That's not an issue. It's something that you guys can just take a look at. Obviously, it's something you want to try to cater towards if you're on a business account, okay? So, and then I'm going to, again, I showed you my live settings, right? This is where you guys can also check all of your other things. Like if you're in the TikTok shop studio or TikTok shop, I do TikTok shop, but I don't do it a lot on this account because I don't want people to get confused with what I do, right? So my estimated rewards the last 3 days was 3 cents, right? Guys, there is so much information here for you guys between a creator account and a business account. If I were to go live here and try to add music, you're going to see at the very top here, see it says commercial sounds. So just keep that in mind when you guys are creating. It certainly has been fun to give you this information between creator accounts, business accounts. Remember, all of this stuff doesn't have to be scary. Just don't be afraid to hit the button because that's an important piece of this, right? So you can use photo carousels just like you can on IG. You can see my beautiful mama right here in this corner, right? So I wanted to come live and kind of show you, or not live, but I wanted to come on and show you guys these pieces and parts. If you guys want to go more in depth, please let me know. I'm happy to do another one. My next video is going to be all about SEO. If you would like, somewhere around here, obviously there's a subscribe button, but if you go to the link and subscribe to my channel and you go into that link, go to my store, this link right here, there's a bunch of freebies in there that'll help you with this. There's a free content creation guide in there, right? So go take a look. It's been a pleasure to go through this with you. Thank you for hanging out with me. Look for SEO tips on the next one. Keep in mind, my SEO tips will fit either business or creator accounts. All right? Thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great Sunday, and we'll talk soon.